Welcome back. This is my first scale model kit review for 2023. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Giving me a thumbs up helps the algorithms and gets the word out that I am out there. So this is the Bandai SDW Heroes Benjamin V2 Gundam kit. So he's a marine adventurer who sails the seas, joins the lineup of SDW Heroes, Benjamin V2. The right-hand part is designed at an angle to enable beautiful handgun wielding poses. No glue is required for this, and the kit contains a saber, 2 guns, a large clear hook, a mask, a right hand for weapon holding, a set of foil stickers. Of course, this is available from Bluefin, and you can see here, you can go ahead and scan the QR code as I show it if you'd like. This was available back in 2021. This is the first time I've reviewed a kit like this particular type of Gundam. It is a very small box and fantastic here. So let's open it up. And you can see right away we have different color sprues in here. We have gold and clear blue. We also have white and red there. And lastly, we have gray and black with the foil type stickers. And the instructions. Instructions are just as small as the box, and very detailed instructions, just like always from Bandai. Very nice there. Taking us through the build process. Flip it over. We have some color here from the SDW Heroes world. And lastly, a sticker and painting guide on the back. You can see that there for yourself. Alright, let's look at the parts and I'll be right back. Here's the first tree, and it is gold colored plastic here. Lots of detail there. And here's close up. Here's sprue F. This is a clear blue plastic. And here's a close-up of that sprue. And this is sprue B. It's a white plastic. And close up here. Here's sprue E, which is a red plastic. Sprue C, which is a dark gray plastic. Once again, a little closer view. And lastly, sprue A, which is a lighter gray colored poly, and these are your poly caps and stuff which allow the figure to move. And here's the metallic stickers. And you can see there, they have a really nice gleam to them. And there you go. That was a review of the SDW Heroes Benjamin version 2 Gundam kit. This kit does measure 7.5 by 5.5 inches and should make a really nice little display on your shelf, and you don't need much room to display it at all. So highly recommend this kit. As always, Bandai has very high quality going on with their kits. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Happy modeling, everybody, and happy 2023. Take care.